Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Fab Show. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my next videos. Chadwick Boseman was the marvelous actor best known for his magnetic performance who passed away of colon cancer at the age of 43 on August 28, 2020. Let's start top 10 movies of Chadwick Boseman. Draft Day is a 2014 sports drama movie directed by Evan Reitman. This movie is about National Football League Draft Day. General manager of the Cleveland Browns, Sonny Weaver, role played by Kevin Costner, tries to rebuild his team, who is convinced that Monty Mack, role played by Chadwick Boseman, can save the team. The Kill Hole is a 2012 action thriller movie directed by Misha Wibley. This movie is about Lieutenant Samuel Drake, role played by Chadwick Boseman, an Iraqi war veteran, who was approached by a pair of intelligence agents, forced him to find and kill a fellow veteran, who seems to be planning a deadly strike against the government. Avengers Infinity War is a 2018 superhero action sci-fi movie produced by Marvel Studios. This movie is about the Avengers and the Guardians of the Galaxy attempt to prevent Thanos from collecting the 6 Infinity Stones as part of his quest to kill half of all life in the universe. In this movie, Chadwick Boseman, who played the role of Black Panther, one of the Avengers and also the King of Wakanda. The Five Bloods is a 2020 action-adventure Netflix movie directed by Spike Lee. This movie is about African-American Vietnam War veterans who returns to Vietnam searching for the remains of their fallen squad leader Stormin Norman, role played by Chadwick Boseman, and in search of the treasure they buried while serving there. Message from the King is a 2016 action thriller movie directed by Fabrice Duwels. This movie is about Jacob King, role played by Chadwick Boseman, from Cape Town, South Africa, who travels to Los Angeles, USA, in search of his missing younger sister, Bianca. Bridges is a 2019 action thriller movie directed by Brian Kirk. This movie is about New York Police Department Detective Andrew Davis, role played by Chadwick Boseman, who is on a citywide manhunt after uncovering a massive and unexpected conspiracy. When the search intensifies, extreme measures are taken to prevent the suspected cop killers from escaping Manhattan Island by closing all 21 bridges. Get On Up is a 2014 biographical musical drama movie directed by Ted Taylor. This movie is about the incredible life story of James Brown, role played by Chadwick Boseman. It tells how he rised from extreme poverty to become one of the most influential and iconic figure of 20th century. Marshall is a 2017 biographical drama movie directed by Reginald Hudlin. This movie is about the life of Thurgood Marshall, role played by Chadwick Boseman, the first African American Supreme Court Justice. This movie focuses on his early days as a lawyer and his case about an African American employee who is accused of raping his Caucasian boss and how he defends his innocence. "42" is a 2013 biographical sports drama movie directed by Brian Helgeland. This movie is about baseball player Jackie Robinson, role played by Chadwick Boseman, the legendary Brooklyn Dodger who was the first black man to play in Major League Baseball. When he got drafted by Branch Rickey, role played by Harrison Ford, and faces considerable racism from his own team. Black Panther is a 2018 superhero action adventure drama movie produced by Marvel Studios. In this movie, Black Panther T'Challa, role played by Chadwick Boseman, is the crowned king of Wakanda, a secretive African nation far more technological advanced than every other country. Following his father's death, but he is challenged by Eric Killmonger, role played by Michael B. Jordan, which puts both Wakanda and the world at risk, and how he saved Wakanda from destruction. Do you agree with our list? Let us know on comments. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.